Hey, what's up everybody? Jason here, Rome Bearded, and we got something pretty cool going on today. So we've got ourselves a new little cooking tool that's going to be coming out from iKamper. So we've got exclusive access to test this thing out and see what it's all about. So we're setting it up for the first time here today for you. So this is the Disco series from iKamper. It's essentially a concave disc to cook your goodies on. This is coated in enamel, so it's not just cast iron. So it takes a little less work to keep it clean, keep it seasoned. So that's pretty nice little feature. It all breaks down really nice into a small little package. So if we set this down over here, a little stove top here is a separate piece, and you can use this separately by itself without the tripod. So it actually has these 3 feet that you can fold out and set it down on your tailgate, on your table, whatever. Use it completely separate all by itself, so you didn't have to bust out the entire tripod. Kind of a nice little feature there. These little arms just come off and kind of tuck inside of each other, so they store real nice and small. And then the tripod folds up to a normal tripod size. So pretty cool little setup here. That's just the cooking top version setup of it. Okay, so you can extend these legs all the way out and hang your disc down below using the approved chains here, and hang it up above your fire and cook over top of your fire. So of course you can adjust these pretty easily if you need to raise or lower your cooking surface depending on how far away you are from the fire. So that's a pretty nifty little feature to it. One thing I will say off the bat, just setting this up for the first time, is it does have little rubber stoppers for the feet, which is great for traction. However, you want to make sure if you do set this up over the fire, if they stick with that design, that you'll want to make sure your legs and feet are actually outside of your fire pit rather than inside. So just something to be aware of. But otherwise, that's a pretty nifty little feature. So on top of that, you can also, with the center loop in the middle on the top of your tripod here, hook up another chain and set up your Dutch oven above there. So you don't have to use the 3-piece, 3-way. So you always love having a Dutch oven hanging over your fire. This will do that too. So the last feature that they sent us was this little tabletop. Just kind of screws into the top of the tripod here. So a perfect place for your favorite camp snack and beverage. So yeah, today we're gonna test this baby out. We're actually gonna attempt to make pho. P-H-O. Pho. I'm not swearing at you, I promise. So we'll see if we can get this thing going. So we're gonna do some pork belly, some vegetables, and throw some ramen noodles at it and see what happens. In my mind, this is gonna be pretty delicious. In reality, we'll find out. All right, so we've got the flame on pretty low right now because we don't want to cook this stuff too fast. I threw a little avocado oil in there. It's a good high temp oil to use anytime you're cooking with cast iron or outdoors in general. I just like to use it because it's high temp. It's also basically flavorless, so that's kind of nice. So we're just going to add our pork belly to that. I'm going to let that just gently do its thing right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna push the pork belly out of the way a little bit. It'll stay nice and warm on the edge. It's not near as hot as the center is. And then we'll add our veg to it. We got onion, little red pepper, some corn and mushrooms. We're also going to go ahead and turn the heat up a little bit. Get those vegetables sauteed up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and I'm feeling pretty good about the vegetables. We're going to slide those off around the edge a little bit. Cut in our puck of ramen. We're going to use about half of the seasoning packet. Add a splash of soy sauce. A dash of fish sauce. A red pepper flake. And some basil, dried basil. We'll add a little bit of water. And let that come up to temp. Alright, we're just going to see if we can give this puck a little flip. Looks like it's cooking all the way through already anyway, but not too shabby.
I can smell that all the way over there. That smells amazing.
Yeah, it does. It smells absolutely fantastic. I'm pretty excited for this. I can't say that I've ever made pho before, so and to make it creekside, beautiful location on equipment I've never used before. Right now I'm calling this a winner.
Nice job.
Top it with some fresh cilantro. And while bean sprouts are probably the preferred sprout to use, we couldn't find that, so we have some alfalfa and broccoli sprouts, so we're just going to top it with that. Nice fresh crunch on there.
It's really good.
That's awesome.
Wow. Nice job. Do I do the noodles first?
I'll take it as a compliment.
That's really good. Really good flavor.
Okay, so first impressions of the Disco series. I gotta say this thing is pretty great. Easy to use, really pretty easy to put together, and cleanup is a breeze, at least with the meal that we cooked here. The real test is when we get some breakfast on there and throw some eggs at it. We'll see what really happens. But so far, super excited for it, happy with it, and we're gonna go ahead and replace our current stove with this, utilize this exclusively for a little while, and give it a good run and see what we can do with it. So stay tuned to it with our series that we got going on, the Creative Camp Cooking series. So we'll showcase this a little bit more throughout the next few trips out and about and share all that with you guys. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. What do you think of first impressions of the iKamper Disco series? Let us know what you think. Are you excited for it to come out to the public? Leave a comment down below, tell us what we should try and cook on there. So give us a challenge, challenge us. We're excited for it. So I like a good challenge, a good cooking challenge. It's a Camp Network cooking style. I like it, let's do it. So, no, thanks a lot for everybody who's subscribed. If you're not already and made it this far, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. We're gonna see you next time, right here on Rome Bearden. That's right, we are live, folks. Live.